Hello class 2, welcome to your value education class children. In the previous class we were discussing chapter 11 of your book, that is don't be afraid, right? This is the chapter we were discussing in the previous day. Don't be afraid. What is the value of this chapter? Courage. Okay, so this page we have discussed in the previous day. So today take out your book, open your book at page number 51, page number 5151. So we have already started with the chapter. Now we will go through a story that is related to the value of the chapter, that is courage. Okay, so let us see what is there in the story, page number 51, and the name of the story related to this chapter, to the value of this chapter, is Little Birdie Grows Up. Okay, this is what this story will read today. Little birdie grows up. So what do you mean by little birdie? Birdie means the young one of a bird. Okay, so one fine morning, let me read it out first. One fine morning, you point your finger. Okay, one fine morning some birds were flying in the sky. All of them were enjoying themselves. There was a little birdie sitting on a tree with its mother. It was afraid of flying, it said. I can never fly like the other birds. If I try to fly, I will fall down. Okay, this means what? It was a fine morning. So one day some of the birds, they were flying in the sky. As we all know, they fly in the sky. So the birds were flying, all of them were enjoying themselves. Okay, they were flying and they were enjoying. And there was a little birdie sitting on a tree with his mother. So as I told you, birdie means the young one of a bird. So it was so little, it was sitting on a tree with its mother. So, and it was afraid of flying, and the birdie was afraid of flying, and it said to its mother that I can never fly like the other birds. Why? Because if I try to fly, I will fall down. Who said this? The small birdie. Then mother bird heard what the baby bird was saying. She said, come my child, I will teach you flying. And the mother bird, she heard the little birdie saying this. And after hearing this, the mother said, okay my child, don't get afraid. Come, I will teach you how to fly. Okay. Then, no, I will fall down, said the baby bird. Then the baby bird said that, no, I will fall down, I will not try to fly. No, no, you will not. Come with me and I will show you how to fly, said the mother. Then the mother said that, no, you will not fly. Come with me. I will teach you. I'll show you how to fly. No, let me watch you flying, said little birdie. The little bird said, no, 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 I'll not fly, as she was very much scared of flying. Then she said that she will not fly, and she said that you fly, then I'll just watch you flying. Okay, but I'll not fly. Now, so the mother bird rose high up in the sky. She saw her nervous baby sitting on the tree. She remembered the time when she was young and how her mother helped her to fly. She came down and said to the little birdie, come, my child, hold my tail and I will teach you how to fly. Believe me, you will not fall down. Then what the mother did, the mother rose high up in the sky and the mother started to fly. And she was observing from up that her baby was sitting very nervously on the tree. Okay, so when she saw that her babies, when she saw her small baby sitting there and watching her and found that the baby was so nervous, then she remembered the time when she was young. Means the mother remembered the time when the mother was young and how her mother helped her to fly up in the sky. And after that, she came down and said to the little birdie, and after that, she came down and she told her child, little birdie, that come, my child, hold my tail. Then she asked her child, that baby bird, to hold her tail. Okay, and then I will teach you how to fly. Believe me, you will not fall down. So as she was flying down, and when she saw that her baby is very nervous, Then she came back. She remembered for the first time when she learned to fly up in the sky. How did her mother help her to fly in the sky? So she came down and told her that small bird that you hold my tail, then I will show you, I will teach you how to fly. And she asked her to trust her and to believe her that she will not fall down. So the baby bird held its mother's tail, and you can see in the picture that baby bird is holding the tail of her mother. She is now teaching her. Okay, so after her mother told her to hold her tail, the baby bird, she held its mother's tail. They flew higher and higher in the sky. Now both of them they started flying higher and higher up in the sky. The little bird was very happy, and the little bird, when she was flying in the sky, she was very happy. It was enjoying in the sky like the other birds. Suddenly, the mother bird gave a jerk, and suddenly, what happened? The mother bird intentionally she gave a jerk. Okay. Then what happened? The baby bird had to leave its mother's tail. Then the baby bird, due to the jerk, she had to leave hold of her mother's tail. Now it was surprised because it did not fall down, and the baby bird when she left the tail, when she had to leave the mother's tail, she was surprised to see that she didn't fall down. Okay, instead it began to fly higher and higher, and rather instead of falling down, the baby bird began to fly up. Oh, I'm flying. Then she realized that she's flying. She could fly. Okay. So I am no longer afraid of flying. Then she said to herself, now I am no longer afraid of flying. I have grown up now. And she said that I have grown up now. Saying this, it began to fly even higher in the sky, and saying this, it began to fly higher and higher up in the sky. Okay, and this is how she learned how to fly in the sky. So this is the end of the story. Now children, what is the moral of the story? What have you learned from the story? Initially we have found that this little birdie was very much afraid of flying. Okay, then she gave up that no, I cannot fly. Okay, she was sitting and she was looking. But afterward, what happened? Her mother encouraged her, and her mother helped her to how to fly in the sky. Okay, and gradually she learned how to fly. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is never be afraid of doing things for the first time. Okay, generally what happens, we all are very much scared to do anything for the first time, isn't it? So children, especially some children, they are scared of doing things for the first time. Suppose for the first time you are riding a bicycle. Your parents must have given you a bicycle on your birthday, and what happened, you are very much scared. I'll not ride the cycle because I will fall down, I'll have a cut, I'll get hurt. So you are scared for the first time, and the moment you try to the moment you start doing that, what happened, then gradually you can do that, right? So it is very common and natural that for the first time when we do something, we are very scared, right? Then what we should do, we should take help of others, isn't it? Then we in order to overcome the fear, if we want to get rid or of that fear, if we want to overcome the fear, then what we have to do is we have to ask someone to show us to do that thing, right? So then we can then gradually we can do it. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is never be afraid of doing things for the first time, right? So we have completed this chapter, that is chapter 11, don't be afraid. Okay, and what is the value of this chapter? The value of this chapter is courage. Now turn the page to page number 52. Here you will find few questions like answer this question. Exercise number 1. What all things scare children? What are the things that scare children? What are the things? Riding bicycles, swimming, dancing, singing, even going to school for the first time, right? So these are few things that these are the things that scare the children. So this answer I'll send you through Telegram. Number 2, what makes a man perfect? What makes a man perfect? Practice makes a man perfect, right? So these are the questions you will find in the Telegram. I'll send this for you. Second one is fill in the blanks using the following words like you, first, afraid, practice. So 3 fill in the blanks are there. God is everywhere, so you should not be dash of anything. You should not be, see here I have written, you should not be afraid of anything. Okay, now come to the second one. The second one is some children are scared of doing things for the dash time, means for the first time. For the first time. Done. The next one, third one is the more you dash, the less afraid dash will be. This is the more you practice, the less afraid you will be. The more you practice, the less afraid you will be. So this also I'll send through Telegram. Okay, then comes true false. Yes or no. So write yes or no. Number 1, you should be afraid of everything. You should be afraid of everything. Is it true? No, it is false. So you'll write N or no. Then number 2, the more you practice, the less afraid you will be. Yes, it is correct. So you'll write yes. Number 3, the little bird was not afraid of flying. No, it is wrong. Initially, it was very much scared of flying, right? So you'll write no here. Then number 4, the little bird was surprised because it did not fall down. Yes. So yeah, it was initially it was thinking that it will fall down when it will start flying, but the little bird did not fall down and she was very much surprised for, isn't it? So you write yes. So number 4 is yes. This means no, yes, no, yes. See. First one is no, then yes, then no, then yes. So we have completed the exercise of this chapter also, and I'll send this exercise to you through Telegram. Okay, so you learn all the question answers that I'll give you, fill in the blanks, true, false, and read the story properly. Question may come from inside the story also. Okay, so write it, send it for correction. Have a nice day.